Let us learn about Google Comment functionality, which is almost the same for Google Docs, spreadsheets, and slides. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to insert comment in Google Docs, how to reply to comments, how to solve comment, and how to delete comments. Google may decide to change the appearance of Google Docs as part of continuous improvement. You may observe my screen is different from yours. There are 6 methods to insert a comment in Google Docs. 1. From within the text. 2. From the right margin. 3. From the toolbar. 4. From Insert tab. 5. From the comment history. 6. With the keyboard shortcut. We are going to walk through all 6 methods so that you can choose any one. Don't worry, it won't take very long at all. To insert a comment directly from within your text, select the text or an image and then right-click and select Comment from the shortcut menu. Enter your comment into the text box and then select the comment, but the process for entering your comment and selecting the comment button will be the same for the remaining 5 methods, so we won't repeat it each time. The second method is to select a text or an image and select the comment button in the right margin. This button won't appear until a text or an image is selected. The third method is to select the comment button in the toolbar. The fourth method is to select the Insert tab in the toolbar and select Comment from the drop-down menu. The fifth method is to select text or an image and then select the Comment History button in the toolbar, followed by the comment button above the comment history. And the sixth method is to press Ctrl-Alt-M on your keyboard. Note that if you use any of the methods that don't require you to select text or an image first, the comment will be attached to the word closest to your cursor. Next, we will look at how to reply to comments. You can reply to other people's comments when you are sharing a Google Doc. If you are working alone, you can use the reply feature to remind yourself of additional information related to the main comment. To reply from the comment bubbles, select the bubble and then enter your reply into the text box and select the reply button. To reply from the comment history, select the comment history button in the toolbar and then select reply in the comment. Once again, enter your reply in the text box and select the reply button. How to resolve comments. When you resolve a comment, you are telling other users or reminding yourself that the issue is closed. Resolved comments will still appear in the comment history, but they'll no longer appear in the right margin. To resolve a comment from the comment bubble, select the checkmark. The comment will disappear from the right margin. How to delete comments. You can permanently delete your own comments, but you can't delete someone else's comment on a shared document. To delete from within the comment bubble, select the 3 dots menu and select Delete from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear asking if you want to delete the comment thread. If you are sure, select the Delete button to delete a comment